Your oven comes with a microwave convection mode. Use this combination mode to cook, roast, and bake. The microwave function ensures even cooking from the inside, while convection circulates hot air to brown and crisp food. This mode has 4 pre-programmed temperature settings that make cooking very easy. Refer to the table on page 9 of the manual to select the correct code for temperature setting. To cook chicken at 140 degrees centigrade for 18 minutes, first put your marinated chicken in a microwave-proof dish and place it on the turntable. Press the Micro plus Convection button. Select 140 degrees centigrade on the number pad. Set the time to 18 minutes. The display shows H18. Press Start. The countdown starts from 18 minutes. Your cooking ends with 4 beeps and end is displayed. You have a delicious brown crisp chicken.